Put the mounting plate under the seat, screws sticking out maximum 6 millimeters under, and with handles can be on either side, doesn't matter. Then put the chair exactly where you want it, so everything works. Mark where it should be, and then take this plastic distance, put it exactly in center with the holes exactly. Then you can use this as jig, either by making a mark or by drilling directly like this. Remove, drill, and if there is an aluminum plate laminated into the GRP, or if it's just plain aluminum, then you make threads, or you can use if there is no aluminum plate, you use an insert, a deck insert that we have also for us, or you just put a screw straight through with a big washer and nut under. That's the first one. When you've done that, when the first hole is done, you put back the jig and put in the screw, adjust again, and do the same thing with the second hole. Take out, prepare it, screw it onto the plastic. And then you can do the last two in that order. After we remove, when all 4 holes are drilled according to the jig / plastic distance, put it on the back side of the mechanism so it matches up with the holes, and then depending on if the handle should go this way or this way, we position it into the holes, over the holes, so it matches up, and we use countersunk screws only to screw it down. When the plate is super secured to the surface under and really steady, then we take the mounting plate on the chair again, pull out the handle and slide it like that. Then you take the turn handle, slide it into position, and put the screws in. And when the hands are secured, last thing we do is we put the stop screw in.